Peace, love, and abundant blessings. Welcome in with love. Thank you so much for being here. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on how to balance your sacral chakra using essential oils. Thank you for being here. Now, if any of the information that I share with you is useful, please like, subscribe, and share with someone that could benefit from this. My mission, my purpose is to help us to heal collectively and individually. I want to help you recognize and bring out the healer in you. There's a healer in all of us, and we can do it naturally. The earth gives us everything we need to be perfectly healthy. That said, let's get into the details of essential oils for the sacral chakra. Oil number one, cedarwood. Now, cedarwood is one of my favorites, and what I love about it is that you could also use it for your root chakra healing. This oil is versatile, which means if you buy this, you could use it for multiple purposes, and I love that about this. Now, cedarwood has a very woodsy, beautiful scent. You sniff on that and you feel like you're in the forest, at least I do. Now, what you want to do is place the oil, and for every oil that I speak about, you want to place it around that area where you're looking to balance. Now, quick quiz time. Do you remember where the sacral chakra is located? Dun, 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 ding. Did you get it right? Right below the belly button area. Now, you want to place the oil there. And then you want to rub it in. And remember, as always, you want to test the area of your skin first if you're new to this, just to make sure that it is working well for you. Now, at the end of this, I'm going to list different ways that you can use the oil. So let's just get into the next oil that is on the list. Orange oil. Orange oil is really, really bright and vibrant. Just the scent of this oil, it invigorates you. Now, this oil is not as expensive as cedarwood because it seems to be a little more popular. So if you want to go this route and you love the smell of orange, you want to smell fruity, titty, go for this one. Now, additionally, the last oil that I'm going to mention, and keep in mind, there are many oils, many essential oils that can help with the sacral chakra. These are just a few that I'm listing. I like when we go and do research and seek knowledge so we can bring back and help each other. Okay, now the last oil is neroli oil. Now this oil is like a cousin to the orange oil because it's made out of the same tree. You see, the orange essential oil is made out of the skin of the orange, while neroli is made out of the flower that you find on the orange tree. So that said, this is also a very good oil for balancing your sacral chakra. Now, ways that you can use this, you can do topical, just putting it directly on your skin like I do. But, I have tough skin, so maybe that's not your case. And like I always say, make sure that you're getting it from a very good source that is organic and that it's harvested with consideration for the plants, taking care of our planet, because that's numero uno. We want to take care of our beautiful planet. Now, I'm going to put my link in the description. I'm part of a health club. I think you pay about $1 a year or maybe $19 a year. This is US based. And you join the club and you're allowed to shop there for whatever you want in the lines of healthy stuff. So if you're interested in that and you want to get your oils through there, you can click on that link and I may get a compensation from it. Now, that said, you can also use this oil to massage you. Now, if you're going to do the massage route, what you want to do is mix it with a carrier oil. A carrier oil might be a natural oil that is olive oil or coconut oil or almond oil, whatever is your favorite. You just put a few drops in there and you get yourself a nice massage. Another way you could use it is by aromatherapy. You could put it in that diffuser thingy majiggy and just let the air circulate around you. Let that scent circulate around you. Now, I'm sure there's a lot of ways you can use it. Yes, there is. Guess what? This is a bonus section. You can get creative. You can create perfumes with essential oil. You could drop it into your lotion. All that stuff. You can even put a drop of it in your laundry. I mean, why not? You know what I mean? So that said, I hope this was super, super useful to you, helpful in some way, and maybe you learned something new. Just let me know if you did. Remember, like, share, subscribe if this was of any benefit to you. Let us heal together, my beautiful people. Be always blessed. And thank you so much for investing time with me. May it be a blessing to you and all that you share it with, all those who you share it with.